Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to find deleted messages on iPhone. So first, what we want to do is open up your settings, just scroll down till you see the messages app right here, and once you find it, just click on it and just scroll down again till you see this option, the filter unknown senders. Make sure to switch it on. Once you're done with that, you could now go back to the home page and open up your messages app. Once you're there, click on the filter option on the top left, and you will see all these options, and at the very bottom you will see the recently deleted option, and just click on it and you will see all of these messages that you've deleted. And if you want to completely delete it, you just need to select anything that you want to delete and just click on delete. If you want to recover it, also select anything that you want and just click on recover. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.